Yeah, I said what I said. Get your ass out the bed and get it. I'ma stay committed. You got the right one. Yo, I say what I say. You can't get it, get out the way. I'ma stay with it. Yeah, they got the right one.
Man, I'm getting ready for business. Let them hear it, baby. So getting ready, y'all. There you go. There you go. All right. Look at that. Good stuff. I love it. Stand and step and everything. Yeah. Matt, your ass in the military now.
Hey, I'ma stay with it. Yeah, they got the right one. Got it.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yes, this is Sergeant First Class Retired Cross. Hey, let me get straight to the video. Listen, what's up with this black and white thing? Listen, people, in the Army, we looking at green, okay? Black, white, Puerto Rican, or brown, it don't make no difference. You going in there for a reason, okay? And I want y'all to understand this here, right? I'm on here just to talk to you and tell you some options that you can take and things that you can do. I'm not making nobody, or I'm not trying to influence you in a negative way, all right, in any kind of way at all to make you do this. I'm telling you the experience that I had in the Army. And what I did, just to get to the point so y'all can understand this, is that I had the opportunity to become a recruiter in the military. After becoming a recruiter, first thing popped in my head when they gave me that, because I did not even, 14, 16 years, all right, on doing other things, other occupations I had in the Army. But when they told me I had the opportunity to become a recruiter, first thing came to my mind is that I can get everybody I know off the streets, especially my young people. My brothers and sisters, I say this is a tool that I have. I can get them all off the streets and don't have to worry about them wind up getting in any kind of bad situation at all. So when I did that, I went to work, and I was a very successful recruiter. All right, I done my time and I done my years. And let me tell you, it was my friends that was telling me that I was stupid for going in. But did I listen to them? Hell no. If I would have listened to them, guess what? Here I am, all right, with over 30 years, retired out the military, all right, and I've been retired, all right, for over 10 years now. And guess what they're still doing? They still working 2 or 3 jobs, okay, and still trying to figure out where their next paycheck is coming. And I've been very, I'm serious right now, comfortable the whole time I was in the military and after I retired. In fact, yes, I got a divorce. I was married, got a divorce, did all of that, but guess what? I didn't let that stop me. And I don't want it to stop you all. And some of the stuff that I hear so far is talking about, oh, I ain't gonna have no white man tell me what to do, or black people don't need to be doing this. Listen, people, this is all designed. Listen, it's all designed to put it in your head. And the people that's telling you this ain't never had the experience of even being in the military. All right? It's everything that they hear from other people. And listen, if you don't believe me, I want you to look in the military, especially for my black Afro-Americans, if you want to be politically correct, all right? If you look in there, I remember when I went to basic training, my main thought was this here. I say, dang, man, they talk about blacks and stuff, man, all the time. Say, either you go to jail or you gonna go in the military to get disciplined. And I'm like, dang. So when I went to basic, first thing I'm thinking about, say, gosh, man, I know it's gonna be a bunch of us in there. Do you believe in basic training, when I got there, it was only 4% blacks that was in my basic training unit, and about maybe 1% of Mexicans, and I think we had maybe 1 Asian person. All the other rest of them was what? Caucasian. It was white. I couldn't believe it. They made it seem on the streets that it was just strictly, all black people go straight to the Army, straight to the Army. No, it's not like that. Get that out of your head. I'm telling you, other people don't want to see you successful. This is an option. I love the Army. I think the Army is one of the best programs in the world. All right. And this is just something you're doing. If you go and get a job on the outside, all right, and you tell me, say, well, I don't want to do it because I can't have nobody tell me what to do. All right. Facts. Right. When you was a baby, Who told you what to do? Nobody, because you were just learning, right? Now, when you went to school, who told you what to do? Oh, you're right, the teacher. All right, the teacher told you what to do. So now you got a job. So you get a job, who tell you what to do? Your boss, and I hate that word boss, but your boss told you what to do. So people, no matter what you do, until you get in the position, all right, to be in control, somebody's gonna tell you what to do. No matter where you at or what you're doing, until you get yourself in that position. And that's what I'm telling y'all. If you want to make a difference, take your ass in there and do what you got to do. You make a difference. People don't listen to you. A lot of y'all are so intelligent and you got game. They don't even tell you about the program, about the military. A lot of y'all don't even hear about that all the time. But then you have somebody like me who comes out here who got excited about what I did. Oh, I had challenges. Believe me, I had challenges. And don't think I didn't do some of the things that some of y'all doing on the streets. Facts. I did 30 years in the military, but I was kicked out 4 times. 4 times I got kicked out, right? But yeah, I was a sharp brother to make sure I know and did my homework and research to go ahead and get my ass right back in there. Because when I got kicked out, went out there and found out, man, nothing out here changed and I can't see anything. Bingo, I turned around and went back in. Why did I get kicked out so many times? Because of some of the things I was doing in there. I still have to learn. It's a learning process. It's a learning process. Yes, the military got different laws. UCMJ, they call it, Uniform Code of Military Justice. All right? Just like we have laws out here. But the fact is you know what you got to do. All right? I got to be held accountable for what I do. You got to be held accountable for what you do. So the whole thing is this here. I'm not going to draw this video out so long just to let y'all know this is your choice. This is not hard. The easy part, I'm telling you right now, is getting your ass in there. The hardest part is just doing what? Taking the physical, making sure you pass the test. And man, I'm telling you, once you get inside, everything people is telling you is going to be totally the opposite. Even the videos you hear. Don't think I didn't have challenges as a recruiter. If you go to some of the recruiter sites right now on YouTube and they talking to you, I guarantee you can tell the difference between me being a recruiter and some of them being a recruiter, okay? Because it's not easy going into inner city schools talking to y'all. Believe me, y'all know BS when y'all see BS. So when you come into them schools and talk to y'all sharp, intelligent kids that think that y'all gonna just like make us look like we stupid because we're in the military, it ain't gonna work like that. It ain't gonna work like that, all right? I came correct, and I straight up and let you know, I wasn't just a recruiter. I was a father figure, okay? I was a doctor. I was a lawyer. You can call me everything because that's what it took for me to help some of them to get in there. Things that I wasn't supposed to be doing. But no, when you got a passion for something and you working on something so hard and you see the potential in people, you're going to go to bat for them. The biggest thing you need to do if you got some game out there, all right, is be a reflection of somebody that's positive, that people want to be led by leaders. Either you can be a leader or you can be a follower. It takes a good follower to be a leader, but most of y'all are leaders and you just don't know it. You in a structured environment. That's what it is. A lot of y'all not used to that, being in a structured environment. You're used to being able to go do whatever you want to do. But you will find out if you're in a structured environment and you start seeing how certain things are in control, you'll appreciate that. You will appreciate that. And so far as when I talk about investments, I'm not an investment guru. No, I am not. I'm not, what do you call it? Somebody who's been to school to invest in everything. No, I'm not going to sit here and say that. But I've learned to invest, okay? I learned to be able to do what? To have my own business. Things that I'm just sharing with you because once you get involved into the Army, you're getting a paycheck, but I don't want y'all to go out there and do what all of these other mass people are doing. Getting their money, taking their money, going out there, blowing it and doing what? Buying all this new Gucci stuff and buying all these, up-to-date brand new cars and blowing their money away. If you can just sit back and have delayed gratification, I'm going to say it again, it's called delayed gratification. Take your money, invest it. 3 years, 2 or 3 years, it go by that quick. Think about it. Think about this here. Remember when you graduated from high school? Some of y'all just graduated and it's been a year or two ago. And what are you saying? You're like, dang, that went quick. It's the same way when I really explained to you just about investing your money. Most of you not using your money the right way. You're not even learning to see how money works. So that's why I've been on you so hard about investing your money. All right. And then the link below, like I say, and Robinhood, that's a platform where you can invest in stocks and companies, things that you're already doing. A lot of y'all got cell phones. How many of y'all is with AT&T? How many of y'all is with Verizon or whatever? If you're with those companies, why not be smart enough and guess what? Take your money and invest in those companies. You're using the product anyway, so once you invest in the company, you be part of the company. The company is part of you. This is what y'all don't know. A lot of y'all have Cash App. Oh my gosh. A lot of y'all got Cash App and don't even know that you can invest your money in Cash App. Man, it's a lot of things you don't know. But anyway, I'm going to cut this video, but I love and appreciate y'all. I still got that passion, that love for the Army, and I got that passion for my people out there. And I hear it all the time. People say, man, God, I wish I would have done that. Man, that's something, you know, my mom taught me out of, my dad taught me out of it. Man, my friends taught me out of it. You know, man, that's something I wish I could do. And I think it's really good for a lot of people today. But I'm here to tell you all that. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell because it just started. It's about to really get ripped up in here. I'm telling you. Y'all ain't going to be capping on me, okay? I know a couple of those little new words y'all be talking about. But I appreciate y'all, okay? And I will definitely see you on the next video. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And below again, okay, I have an investment platform called Robinhood, and I will show you the basics. No, I am not one of the people who've been investing for 20 and 30 years, right? But I'm smart enough to know exactly how to invest for long term, or even short term, if you want to make money. And if you want to own your own business. All right, that's going to be for another channel again, because everyone here, if you've been looking at my videos, you know I got my own business called Send Out Cards. All right, and there's a link below and send out cards. The holidays coming up, so part of my business has to do with a lot of holidays. So you want to jump on that right away. I'm very competitive. I'm a very competitive person. And if you're on my team, I guarantee we definitely going to make it to those next levels. And we're going to work together. So, hey, this is our First Class Cross again, retired. And I'm so excited about where we're going with this. All right, be smart. Be smart. Don't let somebody who do so little for you control so much of your life. Sergeant First Class Cross, retired, signing off.
Army National Guard recruiting. This is Max in the military. How can I help you?
Yeah, you feel your destiny calling you like a Motorola. Not sure what to do, but you're focusing on the roller. All I gotta take a moment, take a look into space. And if you're looking deep enough, you see you got what it takes. So put the fatigues on, we get the suit and the boot. And we protecting the people, not cause that's the way that we do it. Always proving that we done got the heart in us. We always training, always got them really hard hitters. We always on a mission, never missing, never leave a man alone. Cause we always sticking in it, best believe it, coming strong. Now we homegrown, see the pride is hereditary. Wanna do the fullest, do the max in the military, yeah.
Set. Attention.